Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be forging my own knife. The first thing we need is a fire. So let's start it now so it can get hot. The fire will need help to get hot enough, so I have a fan which blows air in. That's connected to this tube which is aiming into the fire. So, the next thing I'm doing is gathering all my tools. The essentials are something to forge into the knife, a hammer, something to hold the rebar with, I'm using rebar to forge, and a large piece of metal or an anvil to hammer it on. Turning up the heat. And next I'm going to be sticking the metal into the hottest part of the fire so that it can heat up and get all soft so I can hammer it later. Which will take a while, but not review because of editing. And now I think it's hot enough so I can take it out and start hammering it. And I'm not really aiming for anything in particular right now that's specific, I just want it to be flat so I can start shaping it later. It's getting better. And now I'm sticking it back in because it loses its heat very quickly. Now I'm hammering again. As you can see, it's still really hot. It's just not hot enough to forge effectively, so I have to put it back in the fire. You might have noticed I'm using charcoal briquettes now instead of wood. I switched and filled it with briquettes a while ago because wood just wasn't burning hot enough. This works a lot better now, though, as you can probably see. And now it's getting pretty flat. One of the good things about forging to shape things is that if you make a mistake and bend something the wrong way, which you can see I'm doing a lot, one of the good things is you can just bend it right back after and it doesn't make a difference. And I want this to be a knife, of course, so what I'm doing is hammering it more on one side than the other to make kind of a slope towards that side, which is going to be the sharpest side. The one thing that does is kind of bend it up the other direction too, so I have to fix that once in a while. And I want the end to be pointy, so now I'm also hitting it with the hammer and the axe to cut that other end of the square, that corner of the square off, to give it that knife point. This would probably work better if it was hotter, but yeah, it's not. So, it's coming fine though. And I'm trying to snap it off with the hammer now. Oh good, there it went. And it's not very nice right now, but when I hit it some more, it'll kind of take shape better. So, that's the basic shape I want, so I'm done forging for now. Actually forever. No, not forever. So anyway, now I'm filing it to give it more smoothness and shape it a bit more. And filing doesn't work that well, so I'm also using a grinding wheel. Now I'm putting the blade in the fire one more time so I can quench it by putting it in water when it's red hot, which stops large crystals from forming, which means that the blade is harder and stronger. After some more grinding, shaping, sharpening, and making a handle, it's actually starting to look really good. It also works well, as you can see. I'm still not actually sure what it is, but I call it an axe knife because that's kind of what it works as. Knife on the end of an axe that works as an axe and a knife. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing because that would be great. And I'll see you in the next video.